after the establishment Free Aceh movement on December 1976.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nyo di kedutaan Indonesia di Belanda. Nyo acara kelih orang nyo. Nampak. Nampak kedutaan ni. Nyo hanai kaitup. Mungkin dalam ilung dua mentanya. Yang penting bui dengar apa yang dah pegah. Simon dari Papua.
These military operations continued unabated with the same intensity and brutality.
Senami tengah ketakatnya dengan kamera. Lagi dengan sniper ke dia kalan.
May 2004, an other line of terror was again in progress until Aceh was devastated by the Indian Ocean Daily tsunami on the Boxing Day of 2004. The next natural disaster, coupled with a prolonged war, has brought the warring parties, the Republic of Indonesia and the Free Aceh Movement GAP, signed a peace deal known as Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) in Helsinki, Finland. One of the many provisions in the MOU is the establishment of two human rights institutions, Human Rights Court (HRC) and Trust and Reconciliation Commission (TRC). The Regional House of Representatives enacted by a bylaw with regard to TRC on 31st December 2013. But Human Rights Watch stated that the violation in Aceh was too serious to be addressed only by the Truth Commission, which cannot impose criminal penalties. States have an obligation under international law to prosecute
Swiss
serious
Ambassador
human rights and war crimes.